May the 22nd, 2009 from Spain, the beautiful island of Mallorca. I'm located right now in the Tramuntana mountain range, right next to the famous Monastery of Lluc, which is Mallorca's most important destination for pilgrims. Mallorca's spiritual center, and this is, look at the roads that are sort of crisscrossing up here onto the mountain. I wanted to give you a little view of the mountain panorama that surrounds the Monastery of Lluc. I'm on a little hill now overlooking the monastery. You can hear the bells ring. What time is it now? It's just 11 o'clock.